welcome back. So today we are going to keep on working on this lost link from WhiteCoin. So so what we want to do is to continue with the WhiteCoin X11 coin work. So we want to fork from WhiteCoin to X11 coin, and we are just making the changes here. So this needs to be run. Maybe it's already done, run here. Yeah, I already have them here. Okay, and here you have some what the hell is this? Some changes about the ticker. Maybe we will start with them. So yeah, so what we want to do is do all of these stickers. So we already have done the WhiteCoin, and now we need to continue with. So we have done the WhiteCoin to X11 coin renaming, and so what we need to do additionally is to work on all of this stuff. But I'm going to start with the ticker. Now that I have it here, I think I'm going to start with the ticker, which I think is quite easy to do. And well, I'm not sure if there are more files, but so far I'm going to use that. And so once you are here, you should have this ticker, which we are going to add. Going to add everything. We're going to create a new commit, which is going to be ticker. So this is new X11 links, new XC ticker. Okay, nice. Let's search for more changes. Let's see what we can do around here. So this is the Scott Nuttall key, which is stupid change, but we need to apply it, and we will save it. This is a Scott Nuttall. Wrong Scott Nuttall key, wrong replacement. Okay. So what more do we have around here that makes sense to be changed? So we also have the ports that are here on the documentation. Not sure if there are more places where there are ports to be changed. I am not sure about that. Maybe around here. Yeah, take a look at this. There are ports also around here. These are the versions. These are more ports. Let's see what we can get around here. Hello. Okay, so yeah, apparently there are some places where there are port. So let's focus on ports. So this README has a port change. and the other one also had one. And then you can check all of these files. This is a sort of specific change. We might think about it later. So this is a port and more stuff around here. This is the checkpoints, which we don't care too much right now. Versions. So we want to check ports because it's something that will happen again and again on each one of the forks. So we need to make sure to understand where these ports are. Okay, so let's take a look around here. Okay. These are some other variables. Let's see if we can find more ports around here. Not ports, blockchain, something. Yeah, so far not many ports that are being changed. Okay. There should not be any ports here, isn't it? Or is it? More changes around here. And this should not have any problem with ports, isn't it? Because these are makefiles. Why would they use ports? Okay, net CPP. Oh my god, I have this spam here. Let's remove it from the... What's the name? From the chat. Okay. No longer spam. Okay, so net.cpp, let's check if there are any ports. Look at that. Here there is a change of X11 coin to WhiteCoin, which we have not saved before. These are IPs. Another change of a string that apparently we have not done. So this is okay. Here we have port change. This makes sense. And more stuff. Wait. More stuff around here. Yeah. And this is a UN2326H, which has been taken from elsewhere. Util does not have anything. Okay, version. Yeah. Okay, let's do more stuff. Version.h. This is something that needs to be in a single place also. We want to understand everything of this. X11 coin pro. Yeah, this is something that you remove. I don't think there should be anything about ports in this changes here. Maybe in the UI? I don't think so. Okay. Bitcoin strings. Oh, take a look at this. This is a port change. So let's do it. Wait a moment. Yeah, but these are all deleted lines. We don't care about deleted lines. We only want change the lines. Coin control, so on. Send coin entries. Okay. Transaction record. Number of confirmations. Okay. Yeah. Maybe I should write down the files where I find interesting stuff so that I can make commits later. But so far we are doing it quite fast. So these are port changes. So testnet has different port. Maybe we can check which are the original ports on X11 coin and try to understand if this was something from X11 coin or not. You know. So apparently you had. So this is the first one is changed into 23, 4, 5. Okay. And here you have another port and another port. So this is probably the port. Yeah, this does not make sense at all. But I think that the problem is that so this is port change. So what I was showing here is that the ports do not make sense. Maybe we can use those ports just in case X11 coin has been forked from something else than WhiteCoin. Okay. So README is whatever it's exposed to the public. And there's this change about using 23489 port. Okay. And then on Bitcoin RPC, you choose these other two ports or these two ports here. None of them make sense, if I'm being honest. So there is the port and the RPC port. Okay, yeah. I need to write this down and see what the hell is this, because this does not make sense at all. So this is something like port comparison. So I'm going to write down here whatever I want to, and we will check this number of ports and we will decide what to do with them, because otherwise this does not make sense. So you've got README. Okay. README, you've got this old port, which we call a new port. README Windows, it's the same thing. And wait a moment, this is stock. This is stock. So this is the same thing. Let's use something like this. And now once you have these ports, you've got the testnet stuff, which is something strange. So you have src bitcoin rpc.cpp, and what you have is that you had this pair of ports, and then you come up with a new one, which is this one here. Okay, because I am applying X11 to WhiteCoin. So WhiteCoin originally had this one, and we use this one, but then once you work with this file, you use another stuff. Why? I don't know. I wonder if the black WhiteCoin that I found later has something to do with this or not. So this is init CPP. So init CPP says that originally you have this is testnet, and is this the right way of doing this? So this is default, and this is testnet, okay? And what are the new ports? So the new ports are these ones here. So far they do not seem to match. Okay, so testnet matches here apparently, and this should be the default port if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so this is testnet. Wait a minute. Let me write down Bitcoin RPC again. Testnet false. So if this is the production port, what makes sense is the RPC port is this one. So this is going to be RPC. Sorry, this is going to be RPC, and this is going to be testnet. Okay, that's what I think this is all about, but I am not sure. So this should be testnet 2, and this is the RPC. Okay. However, I think that this is not right. Okay. So that means that this is default, and this is the new default. Okay. And this is default, and this is the new default. Okay, nice. So what we understand from here is that this default here, the testnet is this 24 something, and yeah, and it gets changed by this default port that does not match the one from the README. So this might be from another program. That's what we need to understand. What the hell is this program about? Okay. And so wait a minute. Yeah, we have already. Have we? Wait a moment. Yeah, so here we have 2 lines. And the second line is about RPC. Okay. So let me see. RPC default and RPC testnet. Okay, so the first one is 1 and the second one is 1. This makes sense. RPC is just +1 for whatever you have in the other one. So when you modify this to have another blockchain, now you have 3, 4 with this is the default and this is the test net. Yeah, so I think this should match this should match whatever it's on Bitcoin RPC. Wait a moment. Yeah, so this matches whatever. Testnet RPC. Okay, they are the other way around. And this is test RPC testnet. Wait a minute. So this is RPC default. Okay, wait a minute. So this is RPC default. This is RPC testnet. Why? Because the file name is RPC. This is RPC testnet. Okay, so now okay, so this makes sense. So we have managed to find the RPC ports, which is the default one and the testnet one, which are quite different than what we have here. This is not found anywhere, but there is a change. Okay, let's continue and check all the ports to check that this is what we expect to be. So this is protocol.h. So this should have the right port here. So this is either this is the testnet. So this is testnet. Otherwise, this is not the testnet, but the default one. And so what we have around here is testnet 2 and the default port, which is this one. So let me check if this matches something or not, because otherwise this is going to be nuts if this does not work as expected. Okay, so this is the WhiteCoin. So this is the default port, and this is the testnet port, which it's nowhere. Okay. Yeah, it's here. We don't see it because because it's not a single word, but we have here it's testnet. Okay, now we know where it is. It's testnet. Okay, and then you have this one here, which is the default one. So the new testnet is this one, which we can see how this is RPC testnet. Are we sure that this protocol.h is about the RPC and not the default port? Because I assume that there is a port for RPC and another port for other stuff. But here, so if in the original file, the default port was this one, and the RPC was this RPC testnet, RPC default. What the hell? So the port, this is testnet. Well, I mean, I'm not sure this is making sense at all. Okay, and now we have more stuff here so that we can confuse ourselves. Bitcoin strings.cpp. So this is the fault, or this is testnet. Oh my god. This is once again some ports that have not been changed, and I'm going to get crazy because of all of this. The problem is that I don't know which criteria I have to use in order to choose one port or the other one. So okay, let's check. This new port, and this testnet has not been changed at all. Okay, let's forget about all of this. 1 second. Okay. So here we have all of these ports that do not make sense at all. Maybe if I use a point, it's going to be easier to highlight everything. Which is the one that does not work as expected? This one? Yeah. What about using a point here? Does it help us? No, it does not. So what I want to do maybe is having here this. Yeah, so let's replace this with this letter so that it's easier to see everything if we highlight the stuff. Yeah, this is maybe not the best thing to do, but I don't care. Okay, so this is the WhiteCoin port should be this one. Okay. Then okay, so you have the non-RPC and then you have the RPC ports, okay? Okay, so the non-RPC default port is this one. This makes sense. Then what the hell is this? No, this is the new one. I don't care about the new one. I want to check the testnet. So the testnet should be this thing here. And this is testnet. Yeah, what the hell is? Okay. So testnet is this one. And then RPC default is 1 plus. That makes sense. And RPC, non-RPC. Yeah, and RPC testnet is 1 more. So this is quite, this is real, okay? This is quite obvious what we have here. Okay. So now I want to check whatever is old, and I want to check all of the ports. So it means that we are going to check to the left of the space. So we have these ports. We have this one, which we already have it down here. We have this one already. Okay, we have this one. Yeah, and we have this, which is okay. So this is left over from WhiteCoin. Is what the hell is this? So this is probably non-RPC. So this is an probably non-RPC testnet port, okay? Now we're going to check who the hell is using this. So we have this all of these ports. And this is not changed. This is not changed. X11 coin does not change this because this was not changed in the first place. This is something that needs to be so let me see. So let's search for mint coin port. I mean, maybe we can do it down here. I think we have mint coin somewhere, maybe in the archive. Mint coin desktop wallet, and I can check for this port. Let's see what it's find at all. Okay, so as you can see here, mint coin uses these ports here. Okay. This is probably from mint coin. Okay, so the other stuff that we had was ghost coin, or maybe lucky 7 coin, and so on. So that's something that needs to be addressed. So we have this lucky 7 coin. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I don't think that WhiteCoin comes from ghost coin, but okay. So what I want to check is lucky 7 coin, which we have somewhere around here, and I want to check if this port is there or not. So this is lucky 7 coin. I think I have make fork. Yeah, here you are. So what I want to check is SRCQT. It's maybe the best place where to search for this. Then we have Bitcoin strings.cpp, and yeah, so yeah, we don't have the specific ports, but it should be quite obvious to check number around here. Yeah, maybe we should search for port. Okay. Take a look at this. Lucky 7 coin, which is on the past of mint coin, uses 8344 or 18344. That means that when you change to mint coin, you have these ports. So this is something from mint coin, or maybe ghost coin, which I think it's a fork of mint coin, but I am not sure. I am not sure that we have ghost coin here, so that I think about it. No. Yeah. Ghost coin. Not sure if we are going to find anything useful around here, but let's take a look. SRCQT Bitcoin strings. Let's see if there are any ports. Port. Okay, let's search for. Yeah, so here you also have the port being changed, but I am not sure that this is WhiteCoin has been forked from ghost coin. I am not sure about that. Yeah, this is from 2018. Does not make sense, unless there is another ghost coin somewhere. So this is ghost coin project. This is the official one. Yeah, okay, so this official one roll back to 769. What the hell is this? Is this SVN or something? Copy public GitHub from old GitHub. Okay. WhiteCoin. Added fix, sync keys, and so on. WhiteCoin development tree. Take a look at this. This is quite similar to what we have for MagiCoin, but I'm not sure if it's worth it. Okay, here we don't have the country directory. This is interesting. Bitcoin strings. Let's search port. Let's see what we have here. Okay, 15.7. Yeah. This is not the same thing as on. This is not the same thing as on here. Okay, so let's forget about WhiteCoin. Let's focus here. So left over from WhiteCoin is left over which comes from main coin is this one. And yeah, so the question is, do we have something on the new ports that are from another project? Okay, so what we are comparing here is let's not forget about it. We are comparing X11 coin. Okay, so the past is WhiteCoin and the future X is X11 coin, and we have some stuff that it's not obvious. So whatever is useful for the ports is here, because this is used on the code. Okay, so these lines are used on the code. So this is what we want to take a look at. So we want to check the changes here. And if you take a look at these files here, you can check how you change txt files, and you change these Bitcoin strings, which is only a string in a program. It's not something that it's being used. So that means that left over from an intermediate fork, and that's what we need to look for. Okay, that's what we need to understand. This is from WhiteCoin. This is from X currency. Where the hell is this from? Okay, so, and the other thing that we can check is RPC testnet or something, or not RPC testnet, but RPC port. So the RPC port, which should be found here by default, is this one, and the new one is this one, and this makes sense. So this is the port for X11 coin. So this is RPC testnet, and this is testnet. Okay, so let's check protocol. So protocol, you have testnet here, which this is the oldest stuff, and this is the testnet, which is at the same time. I mean, I guess the protocol.h is RPC, and this is, yeah, I mean, this is the default port, not the RPC one. But even then, Yeah. This should be the default port, but it's not. That's one of the problems. This is the test net. Okay, so this should be the default port. Is it the default port? Yes, I think so. So this is the RPC. And this is the RPC testnet. So they remove 10 from the first digits. RPC testnet. What about this one? RPC default. Okay. So let's search for this 23489 port. So first of all, we're going to check for how the hell this was announced. So this is X11 coin, which I'm going to search somewhere on the forums. So Bitcoin talk X11 coin. Yeah. So this is XXE. New forum topic. Damn it. I wanted to understand. I wanted to check. Valid image proxy. Oh my god. Okay, look at this. Maybe I can understand what X11 coin is about. ATC Secure says that he has created Bootstrap with the XSync blockchain to speed up sync time. Okay, so this was X currency. I'm not sure if this is X11 coin, but it might be it. Can I search stuff without being... No, why? Let's use magic. Site, Bitcoin talk, and this thing here. Vault. P2P. WhiteCoin. Oh, take a look at that. WhiteCoin. The first X11 Popos hybrid coin. Okay, I don't care. So dice gambling game. What the hell? RPC port is this thing, and P2P is this port, which makes sense. So let's take a look. What the hell is this? WhiteCoin X11 script sheet. So WhiteCoin, no, so X11 coin comes from WhiteCoin. maybe. Butcher coin. True first X11 coin. Okay. I'm not going to touch you. And this is the same thing or not. This seems to be quite... Okay, we don't care about this new one. And look at this. April. How does this compare to what we found out? Apes 26 April. Yeah, this is even newer than what we have here. So let's take a look here. Innovative, secure, and energy efficient POS coin. Everyone after 10 days. Yeah, this is from WhiteCoin, I guess. Same thing. Okay, so what I want to check is the ports, which should be... So first of all, I'm going to write down this. Probably this is Butcher coin. So Butcher coin, let's write the path. I'm doing this in the other screen, sorry, I wanted to say. So we have another path, which we need to check, of course, which is that wait a minute, it's X11 coin, the one that... And let me see. Yeah. Previous to X11 coin. That's right. That's right. Probably this is budget coin. So budget coin. So I have make this copy. This is the same thing, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, so now we have budget coin. Butcher coin. And this is a problem because we were working on this. So yeah, so now we have this Butcher coin here in the middle, which might help us a bit, not too much, if I am being honest. Okay, so we need to make sure that this is the right thing, because it might be just you know. So you can check country bit RPC. Wait a minute. Bit RPC. I've never seen this. So we had, okay, country. Maybe I don't need to enter inside country. Yeah, bit RPC, what's always there? Wallet. Okay, there is not the seeds folder here, and you have a seeds folder here. That's the only difference. Okay, so what I want to take a look at budget coin is SRC SRC what the hell is this? Qt Bitcoin strings. So here, if you take a look at the port, you will see how wait a minute, the full port is 8344. What the hell is this? I am taking a look. Yeah, I'm taking a look at the first commit, and that's why. Yes, that latest one has the right ports. So is this the right? Yeah. Push pull. Oh my god, push pull. Seriously? Another coin? Or is this? No. Push pull is. Yeah. Okay, let's focus on this. So far we suspect that budget coin is the previous coin because we have seen in a post that this is the port. Okay. However, if we go into the source code, the port is not this. I mean, we have not checked all of the source code. Wait a minute. So we need to check the doc readme just in case something has been replaced. Look at that, 0. All of them are 0.3.0. Okay, so here we have this port, which is the port that it's announced on the announcement. So this is quite right. But let's check. Let's check init.cpp. I think it's the right thing to check. So budget coin src init.cpp. And now I'm not sure what I'm supposed to check here. Okay, so this is the port. This is the port used somewhere else. No, it's not. Yeah, the port should be twice, but I'm not sure where. Okay, so this is the RPC port. This is the RPC port, which is using 100 less, okay, than whatever you have on the other place. So what you want to do is to check src protocol.h to see actually which is the port used here. So protocol H, let's search for the port. Okay, so this is the default port. Okay, so budget coin is another stuff that we have here, and this is quite nice because commits are from the past. So X11 coin, which I might have around here. So X11 coin, the first commit is from 2014 to 2nd of June the 2nd. Okay, have I managed to? Okay, here it is. So this is June the 2nd, okay. And what you have here, the most new kernel, the most new, this is from 4th of June, 4th of June, 6th of June, 2nd of June. So you have some commits around here which we can use here, okay. Maybe this does not need to be done, I'm not sure. We have all of these commits, so this is quite nice, unless you think that we are working with WhiteCoin, which makes this a bit confusing, because WhiteCoin, we are not working with WhiteCoin, but with this Badger coin, okay. So Badger coin, I'm going to check their forks to see if there's something on the past or in the future, because we want to check if there are new commits or not, and so on. So the original fork, the original repo has 12 commits and only one branch. So let's check that there is only one branch and 12 commits on every one of them. Okay. So this is even older and has 7 commits, and 12 commits. So we don't see anything useful here. So we can just fork budget coin, which is the coin that it's best for us. Okay, so Badger coin. Badger coin does not have too many. I mean, there is postfix, so proof of stake fix, kernel.cpp, get weight, so on. No ask passphrase when there's unlock wallet. There are many changes here that may explain why there are so many changes from WhiteCoin to X11 coin. But yeah, so we are pretty sure that Badger coin is that we need to fork this. So we do not copy all of the branches, even if there is only one. And now we have budget coin here. So that means that we might want to ditch the current work and try to derive X11 coin from what Badger coin. Okay. So this is for the next video. Start from scratch and try to link budget coin to X11 coin with fake commits. Okay, so we need another folder and so on, and then we work with this. And yeah, and so WhiteCoin. So the WhiteCoin work can be kind of discarded. I mean, you could work with all of this, but question is, it's going to be easier to understand all of the changes if you take a look at this stuff. Remove some unneeded messages. Okay, good. Yeah, these are debugged messages. So probably you don't want everything here. Probably. So the problem with all of these repos, all the repos, is that some of the changes are a bit basic, stupid, and so on. So this is the first commit. This is the second first commit. Fix something. But it's going to be easier to mess with all of the other coins. Okay, so this is the first commit, which okay, this is, what the hell is this? Butcher coin. If you take a look at this, is interesting because if this was forked from Butcher coin, we should have the country of Titan Lauder Scotland key 22. Wait a minute. Was it? I'm not able to see the line here. Let me open this file on your screen so that I can understand what I'm looking at. So line 22, BOXC, BOXC. Yeah, look at that. Everyone does the same stupid thing. So BDG it is. So here the ticker is BDG because this is Butcher. So the ticker is BDG. So that means that if we go into the Bitcoin strings somewhere, so that makes sense that X11 coin replaces BDG with all of this. So yeah, Bitcoin strings, where are you? Here. So if you take a look at Bitcoin strings, we should have, no, it's Bitcoin units, I think. Or is it Bitcoin units.h? We had some strings around here about this, but I'm not sure where. Here it is. So here you have the units. These are BDG. That's why the what's the name? That's why the Scott Nuttall key is replaced on the 22 line with BDG without any sense at all. And then X11 coin replace BDG with this. Okay. So we need to start from scratch and try to link budget coin to X11 coin with fake commits. Then once we have that, we will come back to WhiteCoin and see what we have there. Okay. And in the meanwhile, we can check country. How the hell was this? Something about Windows, NSC, Debian. Let me check 1 second on the repo. Maybe it's not on country. Share. Okay, so the same level of, okay, so here you have share, and here on share we should have setup.nsi, and here you can see once again bottle caps. So this is why you know that this is the right code, because everything comes from bottle caps project, which is related to NovaCoin and everything else. Okay, so yeah, next time we will do some other commits in order to link budget coin to X11 coin that way. And I have found some commits from, where was it? I have found some X11 coins commits which are from the past, but that have not too much stuff. So these are these ones. This is release update, and this is the past of what we have. So we have this X11 coin, and the first commit is from the future of this commit. So these commits are from the past. You know what I mean? We can try to put them here, but I'm not sure if this is nice thing to do, but yeah. So yeah, so the next video might be link Cbrains X11 coin to X11 coin. Yeah. And then we can work on the other one. But these commits are quite simple, so I'm not sure. So this updates main.h, some values here and there, and so basically cut up height is updated many times. So I'm not sure this is useful for us to be this is file that is removed. Wait a minute. Yeah, X11 coin D. Yeah, so I'm not sure if I'm going to use this, because it's mostly the same thing. You change versions here and there, and that's it. So maybe, yeah, maybe the version that it's here, if you take a look at src version.h, you can see how this is 0912. Okay, and if you take a look at okay, let me move this the other way around. Let's move to here, this to the left. So we are looking for 097. So if you look at budget coin and you take a look at the actual first commit and you search this src version.h file, which is somewhere around here. Wait a minute, because I'm getting confused too much. Share src. We remove this. We remove all of this. Okay, and we have version.h. So this is 0900, okay? So it's more similar to what we have on X11 coin, which is 0912. Okay. Yeah, so that's it. I mean, I might fork this this file, which I do not remember. Where do I have it? The Cbrains one. Do I have another? Okay, Ghost Coin. Ghost Coin. Okay. Yeah, here it is. So this is the Cbrains X11 coin, okay? And I'm going to fork this. However, this is going to be called Cbrains X11 coin, because otherwise I'm going to get mad here. Going to copy all of the branches just in case. Here we are, but I'm not sure I'm going to use it. You know what I mean? Or maybe I will, so that the comparison is easier to do, but yeah. So let's change 1 second. So Batcher coin, so we have Cbrains X11 coin. Yeah, but I'm not sure if I'm going to do this, because okay, we have already seen the commits and it's not sure that we want to do this. So this changes the cutoff version. This cuts. So this is the cutoff height, and this is the version change. And there's a file removed, but maybe from these two there are some changes that you can find between the two, and that's nice to have, and that's what I want to have. Yeah, I want to check that. So let's go here. Let's do another of these lines that never end. So what you want to have here is Cbrains X coin needs to be here, okay? So here. So this is pretty obvious that comes from Batcher coin. What's not obvious is the Ghost coin link. Okay. Okay, so we are done here. So basically now we have a new story point added to the list. WhiteCoin. Okay, so let's edit explanation here, and yeah, I'm going to edit this. Wait a minute, please. I'm sending some messages on Discord. Okay, so we are done. So let's. So next video we want to link Zebra Coin's X11 coin to XCoin. Add fake commits also. And then you want to start from scratch and try to link C's with brain coins. So from budget coins to C brain X coin. Okay. And that's it. That's it. So this is quite some stuff full of bullshit. I'm not sure how to describe it. I mean, okay, so apparently you have Bitcoin. Then Peercoin has something of proof of stake, if I'm not mistaken. And or maybe it did not have in the start, and then they added proof of stake. Then this NovaCoin BitJames project started, and bottle caps. So bottle caps, someone made some rather simple and lottery stuffs coin, saving coin. Then the same guy probably did the Lucky 7 coin, and someone needed to make an X11 coin and just used whatever was being used back in the day, which was Lucky 7 coin. They this mint coin. Okay, then we are not sure if Ghost-Coin has anything to do here. Probably not. Then WhiteCoin happened. Okay, we think that WhiteCoin happened. Okay, because there are some WhiteCoin files around there. Then someone made this first true X11 coin, which is WhiteCoin. And then X currency or X11 coin properly was done. Okay. And we have the two versions. So these are the old commits which are not linked to these new commits. But back in the day, these two repos were in the same repo. Okay, these two different repos were in the same repo. And finally, MagiCoin used X11 coin from here. Okay, and did some more changes to that. There is probably another link here, another change, and I'm not sure. But yeah. We know MagiCoin used X11 coin because their ticker was XC. Okay. And XC Patcher coin. I'm asking myself. So the question is, maybe Magic Coin was a fork of budget coin? No, it was not, because in Magic Coin, if you take a look at the Scott Natal's key, you've got XC, and XC is from X11 coin. Joe was good enough to not replace the Scott Natal key with XMG. Okay, this is why it comes. We know it comes from X11 coin, and we know it comes from budget coin because of the port. Yeah. So more budget coin. Have we forked budget coin? Because we have forked. Yes, we have forked budget coin. Okay, let's stop the video here. Thank you very much for watching this video.